Okay, what's up, John?
What's good with you? Watch out. Let me try some more.
Yeah, well, you would not.
What's the deal with y'all? I'm making the cut. Anyway, so what's the deal with y'all? Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you feel me? If you want to see more of me, put it down in the comments because I'm really him. Yeah, I'm just more interested in her. Y'all be watching her do dreads and make. I don't even know what you be doing. That's gonna be lame. Yeah, I'm out though.
Hello, how are you? So back to the regular program. You have to excuse my son. I don't think I've done an introduction in a long time, so let me introduce myself. For the new people here, my name is Shae. I do videos on Locs, home decor, travel, all that good stuff, lifestyle living. So I am so happy you're here and thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be about my first loc journey. So a lot of you know that this is my third loc journey. So yeah, this is my third time locking and probably my final time locking. And these locs are different from my first two set of locs. So I wanted to just show you the first loc journey because I documented all of it, or a lot of it, I'll say. And then I cut them off. What did I do that for? But you know what? Everything happens for a reason, whatever. I'm happy now with this set. So let's start here. Okay, so I started, oh shoot, the battery. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. All right, so I started with 2-strand twist and I totally bought the wrong hair. I went and just like got some hair. It was totally wrong hair. Went to a hairstylist and I said, could you 2-strand my hair, 2-strand twist my hair, and I'm never gonna take them out because I want a loc. So that's what I did. So here's a picture of after I got them twisted. That's the back of my head, obviously. So that's after I got them twisted. You can see it was a lot of locs. I probably had like over 100. And I didn't tell her like what size I wanted. I just went in and I said, give me 2-strand twist. So she just did what she did. So then my whole thing was, okay, they are going to, like the twist pattern is gonna disappear and I'll have these lovely locs and all that stuff. Like that's what I thought was gonna happen. But they didn't. But I was still rocking them, trying to curl them, trying to do styles with them and things like that. They just kept on growing and the twist pattern stayed there. I don't know if you guys remember this website. It was called Fotki or Fotki, F-O-T-K-I. And people would post pictures there. Oh my gosh, it was kind of like the first Instagram. And also, but it was all on the computer. I don't think they had an app on the phone. It was all on the computer and you could post pictures and people could like write you messages or something like that, but it was F-O-T-K-I. I don't know if y'all remember that. But I would post mine on there and I remember posting them and I'd be like, dang, I wish this pattern, this 2-strand twist pattern would disappear because I'm tired of it or whatever. Anyway, I just remember that. So I would curl them, I would do all this stuff. A lot of these pictures I would put on Fotki. So they just kept growing and I would style them and I had these little space buns. I would like get some of my friends to kind of like, oh, did I curl? No, I did not. I would do this myself. I would kind of like twist the top and then I would have 2 little space buns in the back. So then I took a picture so you could see the differentiation between like my loc and the twist. I could tell how much my hair was growing, obviously, because I could see the new growth. So that's what that picture shows. And then at about 9 months, I cut them off. I remember doing it. It was like New Year's Eve. I don't know, it might have been like 2007, 2008, can't remember exactly, but I cut them off and I loved it. I was like, these are my jam. So I loved my locs short. I started to curl them and they would grow. I was really, happy with them. I was happy with the size and everything. Remember, I was twisting or retwisting like twice a week. not twice a week, I'm sorry, every 2 weeks. I was twisting every 2 weeks. So then this is a picture of the back of it. So they were just growing. And then they would grow and I would still be snatching them edges and doing these little ponytails. Like I did all the styles back then. All the lock styles you could think of, I did them. Well, most of them. Because I still never went to a salon. I would just always do it myself. But 2-strand twisting using gel and, you know, whatever else. Not whatever else. It was mostly gel. I can't think of the name of it, but I will put it on the screen if I do. Doing my tight buns and everything. So as I tell you, that's how I tax my edges. But anyway, that's that. They grew and they grew and they grew. And then I decided to cut them off. And I don't know why I did that, but I did. And it was a little traumatic for me. So yeah, so anyway, that's the end of that story. Cut them off, missed them so much that eventually, like probably within a month or two, I don't know how long, I went and got individual braids and then I locked again, and that was my second lock journey. So I'll try to find some pictures from that and share that with you. But I just wanted to show you the difference. Like now, of course, my locks are thicker. I don't retwist. I have less, you know, a less amount of locks than I did with my first lock journey. So there are some major differences, but like I said, I am so much more happier with this journey than the first one. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you guys a comparison, like, you know, kind of like thin, medium-sized locks compared to thick, semi-freeform locks. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.